This recording is going to cover the abdominopelvic regions and quadrants. You should really look at your notes in order to visualize it by looking at the diagrams. The abdominopelvic region. In order to locate the abdominal and pelvic organs more easily, anatomists divided the abdominopelvic cavity into 9 regions. It's drawn just like a tic-tac-toe board with 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. Make sure you know how to draw it and how to label it. So we're going to take the superior portion, middle portion, and inferior portion and name each region, and I'm going to start from the right to the left. So the superior portion on the right side is called the right hypochondriac region. Then you're going to have the epigastric region, and then the left hypochondriac region. The middle portion, the right lumbar region, the umbilical region, and the left lumbar region. The inferior portion is going to have the right inguinal or iliac region, the hypogastric or pubic region, and the left inguinal or iliac region. So you may be asking why we need to know this. As an embalmer, you need to have a complete understanding of the location of these organs, a good understanding of the vascular system in relation to the visceral organs, as well as knowing which organs you are aspirating and what you would expect to drain from each. To see which organs are in each of the 9 regions, you should click on the research button for the link for the abdominopelvic regions. You won't have to study it now, but it's going to come in useful in your embalming course. And as we touch upon certain organs in the various systems, we will then have to know which regions they are located in. But for now, it's important just to know the names or the regions and the location of each. The quadrant plan, this is the second method, and it's much simpler. As the name suggests, the abdominal pelvic cavity is divided into quadrants. The names are much simpler as well. Again, you should look at your diagram. So you have an upper and a lower quadrant. You will have a right upper quadrant, a left upper quadrant, a right lower quadrant, and a left lower quadrant. This plan is used by clinicians in order to locate pain, such as what the patient feels. So, for example, you might feel a pain in the lower right quadrant, and he may surmise that you might have appendicitis.